wenn zwei Krisen, drei Krisen in der kommunistischen Bewegung. Der erste ist vorgekommen, Punkt Eder, ich bin geboren geworden, in 1921, wenn es vorgekommen, the riots in Eretz Israel. Und der Kommentar hat beschlossen, dass das gewesen eine Revolt von den arabischen Arbeiter gegen die bourgeoisie Juden und der englischen Imperie. Und die Freiheit hat angenommen die Linie. Und als Schreiber sind auch weg von der Freiheit, als Mitglieder sind auch weg. Und danach in 1938, wenn Ribbentrop und Molotov haben untergeschrieben the Non-Aggression Pact, there was another major crisis in people leaving. And those who defended the pact did it on two bases. First of all, that the experience of the Spanish Civil War had proven that the Western democracies were much more interested in having the Nazis attack the Soviet Union than in putting an end to fascism, and therefore that the Soviets had pulled an end run with the pact. Secondly, that when the Soviets and the Nazis divided Poland, the Soviets saved hundreds of thousands of Jews in Poland, Latvia, Lithuania, and Estonia, which was indeed the case. And after the Nazis attacked Poland in 1939, many Jews survived by heading east. So that was the defense among the diehard supporters of the Soviet Union. There were much fewer left with the revelations of Stalin's pogrom against Jewish culture, and particularly Yiddish culture. So there was the general feeling in that period between August of 1938 and June of 1941, when the Nazis attacked the Soviet Union, there was general feeling that this was a terrific thing for those in Eastern Poland, especially in Lithuania, in Vilna, where Yiddish culture flourished during that brief period under the Soviets. So those who remained communist felt fully justified in having supported the Soviet Union at that point. And then, of course, during the war, when it was the Soviet Union that essentially led to the defeat of the Nazis, there was, in American Jewish life generally, there was the turnabout. And in American life, there was the turnabout from kill the communists wherever you find them to our brave Russian allies. General Douglas MacArthur said, I'm quoting from memory, the history of the world will record that the hopes of humanity rest upon the worthy banners of the glorious Red Army. Douglas MacArthur. So that the World War II period generally, not only in the Jewish left, the general left, and America as a whole, was pro-Soviet, glorified the ability of the Soviet economy to withstand the attacks and the heroism of the Russian people in the Red Army, who lost 20 million